Hey everybody, on this video we're going to be doing a picking and decoding video using the HU92 BMW Lishi, and this is the twin lifter version. You can get twin lifter version or single lifter. I always go with the twin. And so we got a 2002 BMW 3 Series lock, and we'll see if we can actually pick and decode it, and then I'll go cut a key for it. And I'll film that too, and I'm going to probably put that on my other YouTube channel, and I'll put a link up here in the top right corner if you want to check out actually cutting the key on a Condor Dolphin. I'm going to use my key tool Max as well to actually run the machine, so you want to check that out. The link is up in the top right. And what we'll do on this here is get the tool all the way in there. And the HU92, these BMW locks, you definitely want to use a lot of tension on it. And first thing we'll do is figure out where we're at with wafers. Okay, so it looks like we've got even numbers going up, so odd are going to be going down. And put a lot of tension on it here. Just start at number 1. Okay, 2 clicks on 1. Okay, 3 is springy. 5 springy. And 7 springy, so we'll head upstairs here. Okay, 1 click on 2. Got 3 clicks on 2 here, now it's set, and I did get a little bit of rotation. And then we will head over to number 4 here. Okay, it's binding. A couple little clicks on that. And number 6 is binding now. Nice click on 6. That feels like that is set. Go back downstairs here. Okay, 1's good. Okay, 2 is actually binding. Click on 2 and a little more rotation on it. Try that's 3. Okay, and 5. Okay, see it's bouncing a little bit, so definitely gonna just leave it alone. Same with 7. So let me go back upstairs here. So 2 feels good. Okay, 4 is binding again. Got 1 click and we're still binding. Okay, and then to click on 4, now we're actually open. So if we notice here, we didn't have to pick a couple of these, which means they're going to be number 4 cuts on the Lishis. The tool itself sets the longest wafers, so you don't have to actually pick them if if it's like on a BMW, the highest it goes is a 4. So if you have number 4s, you're not going to have to pick them. And so we'll see if we can actually decode this real quick here. Okay, so we'll start number 1. That's going to be a 1. Okay, 2 is also a 1. 3 is a 1. 4 is a 2. Okay, 5 is a 4 here, so we didn't have to pick that one. 6 is a 3. Okay, 7's a 4. And 8's a 4. So it's 1, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4 is what we've actually got there. And so we have 3 of those number 4s here. We can actually pick this now that I know the bidding on it here. Do it probably pretty fast because we know we don't got to pick 5, 7, or 8. And open there, so we didn't have to touch 5, 7, or 8 because those are number 4 cuts. So simple as that, picking them. It's a lot easier, of course, now that I know the bidding on it. You just got to take some practice to try to identify those number 4s here, because if you think it's binding and you actually overset it or try to pick it, then you're going to overset it and you're never going to get the lock open. With that said, let me run outside and actually cut a key for it real quick, and then we'll come back in and test it out. So just give me a minute here, I'll be right back. Alright, so I went out to the Condor Dolphin here, and I did film it, so the video, like I said, is at the top right of the screen here. And that's what our actual key looks like. That's the 111-24344. And I'll try it out here. And see that it does work actually perfectly. And so, just questions or comments, leave them in the comments. And guess that's all we got on this one, guys. Well, I'll talk to everybody later.